My name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. At many components in Lowcoder, you will find the possibility to set options, multiple values that could apply in the way of the manual or the mapped list. That's quite powerful. So I want to have a selection, pre-selection for my table of all the continents that are existing. And so I would step by step add them here manually. Let's say I would like to have Africa to add, and I would just do it like this. That's one way, and it works completely fine, but it's just manual. More interesting is if I could map automatically this data based on a data query. And this is easy possible. We have here data query of all continents as a GraphQL query. And then I could go here to the map. You see it will switch the display I prepared already. I will enter here the data binding to my data query for all continents. And as soon as I have this, I'm able to place in this mapping field everything that is here available in my data. So you see, I could automate the label, the value that I want to select, also the prefixed icon, if it's disabled or even hidden in the display here. So I can make use of this small code. That means this one here is an array, as you can see. And for every item, I can then access the data inside of the data array from the data that you bound. Could be data query, could be temporary state. You even could place data here manually by hand, which will then be persisted instead of the data query that you need to call when the application starts. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.